So I wanted to give a quick update on the Kohler rain shower system that we installed a few months ago. Very happy with it to date. I had some concerns at first that maybe it would leak, or that because of the number of holes in the overhead rain shower part, that it maybe would have low water pressure. That's not a concern at all. The only plumbing we had to do really was replace this 6-inch spigot that we had here with the 8-inch that's there now, to just get it away from the wall enough so that it would be mounted perfectly, I guess, parallel with the wall. You do have to drill a couple holes in your tile or your chorion at this location and this location. That was no big deal, but the magnet's still very strong. Sticks at any level you want it to. It gets down low enough that you can, wash your dogs, do whatever you need to do there. The buttons work perfect. Really, we just leave it on rain shower most of the time. I mean, 95% of the time, that's where it's at. This only really gets used when we're washing the dogs. So, no leaks, no concerns. Very pleased with it, and would definitely purchase it again if I had the choice, or if I bought a new house and wanted the same type, overhead rain shower system. Absolutely would use this again. So if you're thinking about getting this system, we've had it installed for 3 or 4 months now, no problems at all. So we're very happy with it.